Hello, welcome students. Today I am going to tell you regarding the template of AutoCAD drawing from where we have to draw the we have to solve the different our problems. First of all, I will show you some setting. So once you start the AutoCAD, firstly you have to check the unit of drawing. So there is a shortcut UN enter or units. So you can just enter UN enter and this dialog box will be there. By default there will be the inches which we have already set. Okay, so just changes that dimensions to millimeter because we are drawing the mechanical drawing, and precision is 2 digit. It is okay, so click OK. After that, once you set the dimension, after you have to just check the layer properties. Okay, so we need to set the layer property for our different dimensioning style or for projections line or visible line and hidden lines. So to avoid repetitive setting, okay, what we will do, we will just set the layer properties. There are again different advantages also for layer properties that I will show you. Then you can check by default there is only one layer. It is also the default layer 0. Okay, you can just add the new layers from here, the layer property. Here just do the right click and add the new layer. So I will add first layer, for example projections line. I need to just change the color of projections line. That should be somewhat faint. Whenever I take the printout, that should be lighter than your continuous line or hidden line. Okay, so that will be good. So I will select this gray color. The line width will be continuous projections line, and line width you can keep as it is by default. Next layer, again right click, new layer. I will add visible line. So what are the visible lines are there in my drawing? What should be the colors? So I will keep as it is by default white. Then here line will be continuous, and here I will increase some thickness of that line width 0.30. Then next layer I will add for hidden lines, if any. Then color will be same. Now here the line properties I need to change, so select load, and from here you can just search hidden. So here it is hidden, just select that, then it will be okay. Thickness will be same as it is. Then again new layer, the new layer will be center line. So sometimes I need to dot center line, so I will just select red color. Line will be center, so again it is not there, so load and select the center, then okay. Then next that you have to add another layer is nothing but dimensions. So whenever we are setting the dimensions, giving the dimension, that time what will be the color and all other things that we can set. So basically I will keep dimensions, line width is same, line width will be solid line continuous. Okay, so these are the layers I have already set here. You can just add or remove, or you can change later also the setting of this layer from here. So I will close the dialog box. Now you can search, you can see there are the different layer which has been already set here. Okay, for example I need to I am drawing the projections line. I will just select the projections layer and I will start drawing the projections if I want. Then for example there is a hidden line, so I already set what will be the line width and that. So this will be directly will be drawn from that layer. So similarly center line also I can take. So this is the uses of property layer properties or layer. Similarly if you want to hide or lock, so you can also hide that layer, particularly you can lock that layer Okay, all setting you can do from here. One layer I need to add, that is my template. I will set the template layer, keep the white color, center line will be continuous solid line. That's it. Now this is regarding the layer and its properties. Now next thing we have to check the dimension setting. So I will just select the dimensions layer and let me check. So for dimensions, see, this is there. Okay, so we don't want this. Okay, and somewhat font is also need to be increased, so we will go here annotate. Then we are basically selecting the standards. Okay, because we want unidirectional dimensioning system, so select the standard, then click here modify and go here in the fit and increase this global scale factor to 15. So I will just click and close and select here standards, set current, let me give it again, select the dimensions. Now it has been set. Okay, you can again change the setting to this digit. So go to here, modify primary unit, and you can set up to 2 decimal places. So this you can change again. Okay, so this is regarding the dimensions. You can also change the color, but we need this only, by default white. So this is regarding the dimension setting. So let me just save. So my all setting has been done. Now I will tell you how to create the template. So basically, for solving the problem, we are creating the template. Inside that template we are drawing the we are solving the problem statement. So let me create my template layer. So I will select the dimensions as per the A3 size sheet. So A3 size sheet has the dimensions of 297 by 420. So just take the rectangle command, or you can click REC. Then this horizontal distance we required 420 and this vertical we required 297. So please enter and just check. So rectangle has been created with the dimensions of 297 by 420. Next, what we have to do, inside this we want the 10 mm offset from this each side, basically that is a margin, and from this side we want 20 mm. Okay, so for this we will just create the offset through and we will give the distance of 10 mm. Escape to deactivate the command. Here it is created the offset of rectangle 10 mm, but from this side we want 20. So again we will do offset, but before creating the offset just explode this so that each entity will be different. Now select the offset, specify the distance again 10 mm and select the object. So here, now again deactivate the command, and this is not needed. I will delete this and I will trim this remaining portion by trim command. Trim, enter, select the part that you need to trim, deactivate the command. So we have created this rectangle. Now here we require basically the title box. So take the rectangle again, and the size of the rectangle will be 160 by 63, and here inside this we want 9 mm offset for the titles, name and all other things. So again take the offset command. Before that, just explode that so that I can use this line for offset. Go to offset, this through, select, enter the distance. You can directly give the distance also, and only you can select, but this is also you can do the offset. So here the offset has been done, 9 mm each, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so basically this is I required for the text. Okay, I need to enter here name, title of sheet, here class, division and all other things. Then next you have to take here text. Basically there are single line and multi-line text, so we are using the multi-line text, and just create the rectangle box and just write down the college name, college. So name of the college, select this, make sure the dimensions will be 5, then click here. Okay, so this has been done. Next we want here, so just name of the students, for example, just do copy paste name, so your name will be there. Next I want here title. So for example, you are drawing your first sheet engineering course, so you have to mention that. And next here, okay, now here we want the check by faculty, okay, and some other informations here. So let me create here first one line at a distance of 80 mm. Select this, and from here it is 40, at a distance of 40. So basically I need to draw here the symbol of method of projections. So I don't require this, so I will trim this. I will draw here the symbol of projections, first angle method of projection symbol. So just take one circle having the radius of 5, then take second circle of radius 3, sorry. Then here basically we need here, so I will just drag from here 10 mm line. So what I will do, just take the offset through, enter, and here I will just take the offset of 10 mm, and just here. Next take the reference from here, track from there, quadrant point, and here and here. Basically, so this is the symbol that we have drawn here. One thing you required here just write down all dimensions are in mm. So this thing is ready. Now next we have to write it down here, check by faculty, then here date, basically if your division, then roll number, everything you can write here. So 1 minute. So here I will just again copy, so I will write here sheet number, for example first sheet number, make it center, next here I need date, just copy again, so date you have to mention, so you can write here date, increase the size of the box, then here section, for example mechanical division 1 or make 1, then here you want to write roll number, so your roll number you can mention there, then here the scale used in the drawing, make it center, and basically here will be your scale 1:1, make that center, and here check by faculty name, you can write here, and here the faculty will check accordingly and he will sign. So this is regarding the title box. That's it. So once only you have to create this, okay, and for example solving another problem, just select Control A, Control C and Control V, means copy paste you can do, and you can use this template. And after drawing here solving the problem statement, you have to take the printout. So I will take you how to take the printout. So just click the Control P So select, there are some options, DWG to PDF, actually we want to convert. Select here the options ISO full bleed A4 297 by 210. So just check this setting. Then what to plot, so we need to select the windows. So select the windows correctly. Fit to paper, this option you have to click, and the landscape setting that you have to do. So this setting you have to do. We will just check the preview. Okay, something is missing there. Center to plot, so you know, just need to click this center to plot, then preview. So this will be perfectly plot when you take the print. So such type of print will come. So that this is regarding the printing. So basically here you have to write a name of faculty, whoever you are the faculty, write down the name, that's it. So this is regarding the templates and setting. Now for example, once you once to start drawing the problem statement, so you are basically going to change, and here you can lock this template, okay, so that it cannot be modified. So these are the use of layer. That's it. Thank you.